So we were looking to automate. Just like everybody, we're trying to get out of spreadsheets, we're trying to streamline, we're trying to get everybody on the same page. A lot of people on my team have their own checklists in Excel, and we are trying to make them all one together. Also, our reconciliations happen to be probably one of the more manual things that we do in accounting, and so we're trying to just get everything on the same page and always move up close. Yeah, easy, responsive. I mean, it's been a pleasure to work so far. Our companies are very aligned. Things that we find important as a company, they're near identical. You know, our accounting recs have been manual. You know, most of our recs are completed after financials go out, which lead to challenges, obviously. So trying to move stuff up, make things more timely. And like I said, communication up and down the chain, knowing what's been accomplished, when it's been accomplished, when we can move to the next step, when people on my team know when the accruals team have finished their stuff, the expenses have finished, cash is posted, and really trying to streamline all that information so people know what to expect when they dive into their recs, when they dive into their reporting, and know that we're ready to go. Be okay with trying something new. As accountants, we like our spreadsheets. We're gonna use them till we die, but be open to the idea of doing things a different way. Just be willing to think outside the box and think of a way to change.